Hello, my name is Charlotte Capogna-Amias, and I'm the Assistant Director in the TRIO program. I'm going to show you today how to schedule an appointment for TRIO tutoring, whether that's remote or in person, through WSU 360, which is the software that we use for scheduling those appointments. You'll find WSU 360 in your My Westfield portal. You might be familiar with WSU 360 because it's the same program that is used to send students progress reports from their course instructors. So if you've ever received a flag in a course or a kudos with information about how you're doing in your course, that's the same software that we use to book TRIO appointments. So the first thing you're going to do is to log into your My Westfield, and then that will bring you to this homepage in the My Westfield portal. And then you're going to go to the WSU 360 login, which you can find one of two places. Either under Quick Links, it's going to be the last option there, log into WSU 360, or you can go to the Academics tab, which is on the top white bar that runs across the top. Click on that. And then right in the middle, there's a box that says Student Success-WSU 360. And if you scroll down, you'll see the login to WSU 360. The next page that it brings you to is the My Success Network page, where you'll see different support programs of which you are part of or have access to. You're going to scroll down to the second TRIO box. So not the first one that says TRIO Student Support Services Program, but the second TRIO one that says TRIO Tutoring. And there's a little icon that says We Are TRIO. So you're going to click there. Once you're on that page, you will see the different TRIO tutors that are available to you. John Benvenuto, our writing tutor, Kaylee Furlano, who is our social sciences tutor, and also teaches students different academic skills and study techniques. Kaylee Hawley, our biology tutor, Caitlin McCall, our accounting tutor, and Joe Rosenko, our chemistry tutor, and finally Emmett Wald, our mathematics tutor, and also Emmett is now tutoring for computer and information systems courses and computer science courses. So let's actually pretend as if we're booking an appointment with Kaylee Furlano. So we're going to click on Kaylee Furlano's link right there. And then you'll simply go to where it says Schedule Appointment. Click on that. What do you need help with? TRIO Tutoring. So we're going to click there. And then you have to click again into Tutoring. Then you go down to the bottom right and click Continue. And then it will load some times that Kaylee is available. So we're just going to pick the first time that's available that's coming up. So Tuesday, tomorrow, June 30th. 1 to 1:30 p.m., excuse me. And we'll click there. And then you go continue, and you'll see that it's going to default to the TRIO Learning Lab, Parenzo Hall, room 013. That is normally where our tutoring appointments take place. Right now, during the COVID-19 pandemic, tutoring appointments are mostly taking place online. So we're doing remote appointments through Microsoft Teams, which allows for video conferencing with your tutor, or if you would prefer, you can have a phone appointment. And I'll show you where you're going to write down which one you would prefer. So next you click Continue after you select your time. And then if you would like longer than a 30-minute appointment, you do have the option to change it to a full hour. Under where it says date and time on the left, you're going to click on change duration, and then you'll select an hour. Now this is only if a full hour is available. If there was someone booked for that next half an hour block, so this was a 1 to 1:30 time, if there was a 1:30 to 2 appointment already booked, it wouldn't even give you that change duration option because they would know that it wasn't available. So you'd have to just pick the 30 minutes or pick a different time where you could have the longer 1 hour duration. So we're going to select 1 hour, save. And now you can see under the date and time that it says 1 to 2 p.m. Now right here under the reason for tutoring, we're actually going to put here where it says, if you want to tell us a little bit more about what's going on so we can help, we're going to put a couple things. First, we're going to put what we would prefer during this time of remote tutoring. Would we prefer a video appointment on Teams or would we prefer a phone appointment? So I'm going to put video chat via Teams preferred. And then I'm going to put a little bit about what I need help with. Need help working on paper for my sociology course. And you can make it as specific as you want to. If you want to say a little bit about what that paper is about or copy and paste some assignment instructions, you can do as much or as little as you like to it there. Certainly the more you provide, the more helpful it is to the tutor so that they can prepare for that appointment and know what you're coming in for. We also ask that during this time of remote tutoring that even if you want a video chat, that you just list a phone number for yourself just in case the tutor is having any trouble reaching you via Teams, or if they're having any technical difficulties, that gives them another way to get a hold of you. So first I put down what I would prefer. I want a video chat via Teams, what I need help with, and then I list my phone number in case they're having any problem. And then I just click confirm. And that's it. There's my appointment right there. You will actually see that you will get an email immediately with this appointment day and time so that you can put that in your calendar and know that that is saved for you and reserved for you for your appointment time. So I hope this is helpful. If you have any questions, you can always talk to any of the TRIO staff members, and we would be happy to show you more details about how to use this system. Thanks so much.